All right, so this next section we're gonna be looking at, we've so far done inches, half inches, quarter inches, and we're actually gonna divide that in half again, and we're gonna get down to eighth of an inch. And again, all that really means when we talk about the eighths of an inch is we've simply broken that 1 inch into 8 parts. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we've just literally broken that inch into 8 parts itself. Okay, and what you'll do when you see this is again with these lines. It's not the longest line or the shortest line, it's the second shortest line you'll typically see on a tape measure. Okay, so we have 0 and the 1, the inch mark, that's the longest. Then the next longest is the half inch, then the next longest is the quarter of an inch, and then the next longest after that is 1/8 of an inch. So all those ones that are the same length as that first 1/8, that means those are all eighths of an inch. Okay, so if I'm going to measure from here all the way to here, I would say that's not 1/8, it's not 2/8, it's 3/8. So that's 3/8 of an inch. And I can keep going with this. I can go all the way almost to the end. Okay, I can see that's not my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, actually 7/8 of an inch. Okay, and it's no different again if I'm trying to measure in between numbers that aren't just 0 and 1. So if I want to look at, let's say, just in between 1 inch and 2 inch. If I'm going to go all the way back to this line here, so I'm measuring from here over, well, I know it's between, it's greater than 1, and it's not quite 2 inches. So it's somewhere in between 1 inch and 2 inch. So I start with my 1 inch that I've already accounted for. So 1 inch. And then I need to see which eighth of an inch line is it on. It's not on the first, not on the third. It is actually on the 5th. So 5/8 of an inch. Okay, so I'd write that as 1 and 5/8 of an inch. And you can keep going that with other numbers. You might say it's 2 and 7/8, or 4 and 3/8 of an inch. Those are all fine numbers. Again, as long as you make sure you've got your odd number as your numerator and your even number as your denominator. Okay, so try the eighth of an inch one, and good luck. If you get any problems, come back, watch the video, and give that a try before you move on to the next section.